2025, the automotive industry is seeing a resurgence of electric vehicles that combine vintage charm with modern innovation. One of the most anticipated releases is the Baker Electric Model V. This car blends the timeless elegance of early electric vehicles with cutting-edge technology, offering a glimpse into the future while paying homage to the past. Let's dive into what makes the Baker Electric Model V stand out in a world dominated by futuristic electric design. Exterior design. The 2025 Baker Electric Model V features a design that evokes nostalgia for classic electric cars, yet it's undeniably modern. The exterior boasts clean lines and refined curves, reminiscent of early 1900s luxury sedans, but with a contemporary twist. The body is constructed using lightweight, sustainable materials that enhance both performance and efficiency. The color palette includes elegant, vintage-inspired hues that are complemented by a sleek, minimalistic front grille and retro-styled wheels, making it a striking visual presence on the road. Interior and luxury. Step inside the Model V and you're greeted by a cabin that balances vintage luxury with modern conveniences. Leather seats, rich wood accents, and handcrafted details create an atmosphere of elegance. But don't be fooled, the interior is loaded with state-of-the-art technology. The dashboard features a large touchscreen interface that seamlessly integrates with navigation, entertainment, and driver assist systems. Advanced voice controls and gesture recognition allow for hands-free operation, ensuring that the focus remains on the road ahead. Engine and performance. The Model V is powered by an advanced electric drivetrain that sets new standards for performance and efficiency. The car is equipped with a high-capacity battery providing an impressive range of over 350 miles on a single charge. With rapid charging capabilities, the Model V ensures that long road trips remain practical. The powerful electric motors provide smooth acceleration and a quiet, comfortable driving experience, emphasizing the car's luxury status. It's a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern-day performance. Sustainability and future outlook. The Baker Electric Model V is more than just a car, it's a symbol of a sustainable future. The use of eco-friendly materials in both the construction and manufacturing processes makes it a vehicle with minimal environmental impact. As cities and roads transition to cleaner energy solutions, the Model V represents the potential of combining luxury with sustainability. Conclusion. The 2025 Baker Electric Model V is an exciting fusion of past and future. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of electric vehicles and a clear sign that the future of transportation can be both elegant and eco-friendly. Whether you're a fan of vintage cars or simply interested in the future of electric driving, the Model V is a vehicle that promises to captivate drivers and enthusiasts alike for years to come.